Pretties, welcome back to my channel. I know you're probably looking at me and thinking this seems like deja vu. It seems like we've already seen this hair, we've seen you rock this, we've heard the details. What are you doing back with the same unit? Listen, Lindas, it is deja vu. Your eyes are not deceiving you. I am doing this review. I am refilming this review again, and I'm actually, by the time you see this video, the old one will be deleted. So the reason why I am refilming and going to be re-releasing this is because I kept looking at the unit. I had to put it up in a ponytail. You know, I had like the silver eye makeup going on and gold highlight. And I just kept looking and looking and like this pink lipstick. I don't know. It was just a lot going on that's just not my norm. And I was like, you know what, girl? You do better. You are better. You strive for better. You be the better. And you gotta refilm it. I mean, I don't care. You gotta do your hair over, you gotta do your makeover, you gotta figure out how to make this wig work and make this wig work down. I will not be defeated by a unit. So I'm gonna show y'all a quick clip of what I did to kind of get this unit down a little bit better. And I also thought that this would be a good time for a teachable moment just to talk about when we are wearing bolder colors, how we want to do our makeup in a more of a softer, more natural type of way, and you know, things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the clip real quick. All right, so now that y'all seen the clip, now I will insert a little bit of what it was looking like before so y'all can see, if you can't remember, the silver makeup, the pink lip, you know, the mess. And I'm going to tell y'all piece by piece what was wrong with the look. So the first thing was the hair was bold. The hair is already bold. The hair is already blonde, right? So I would definitely suggest more of a neutral type of look. As you can see in the clip, I was wearing like this pink, hideous looking lip. Like it was just too bold for such a bold hair. Another thing was this wig is obviously cool because it's a platinum, and then I wore silver eyeshadow, which is cool. So it was a lot of coolness going on. I'm obviously a warm based girl, so all of that cool, it was just not going well. It wasn't looking right at all. The next thing was the golden highlight. I believe it was golden or silvery. I don't know. Was it silvery? Maybe it was like silvery. No. Silvery? Yeah, I'm feeling like it was silvery. I can't even think about it, y'all, but I'm thinking it was silvery. And the silvery, again, was super cool. Going up against this hair, it just was not looking good. So as you can see, what I did today was more of a golden highlight. Alrighty, I just did very neutral, warm colors on the look. I'm gonna have a little Instagram short clip. I don't know if I'm probably not gonna be able to finish that and edit that. So that'll probably, y'all see that this weekend or on Monday. It's just a quick short. This is like what I call my everyday type of makeup. This is typically what I like to look like. Another thing was I decided to do a more neutral type of lip. It's still kind of plummy. This is not even as neutral as I can go, but I didn't want to get too nude and be muted. I wanted it to have a little bit of color without it being overbearing. So this is what I did. I am going to give y'all the thoughts of the wig again for the people who did not catch this review. If you didn't have to watch that first one, congratulations. You missed a literal shit show, okay? I'm going to go ahead and give y'all the details. So this unit is by Sensationnel. It's from their Empress collection. The name of it is Amani. I received this unit from samsbeauty.com. Shout out to Sam's Beauty. They send me a lot of my units, and I really appreciate them for that. This unit is being seen as like a virgin hair dupe. Don't know if I would go that far and say that, particularly in this color. I don't get virgin hair dupe. I saw it in 1B. I initially wanted it in 1B. Speaking of color, this is T4 613. So it's the black roots and it goes right into a 613. And it's also, because someone asked, is it black roots all over? Yes, it is. It's black roots all over. If y'all saw a little bit of my cap, y'all sorry. Y'all know shit gets real over here. But anyways, that's the color. I originally wanted it in 1B. They didn't have it. I said, I'm going to take the plunge. I'm going to get it in this color. When I got it and I pulled the unit out, I was not feeling the unit. Hence why I just snatched it back in a ponytail, put on this clowny makeup that I had. Everybody is entitled to a bad day. And I recorded it Like I said, I went all the way through it. In the editing process, I should have known I need to chop it, but I didn't. The actual unit itself, after I sprayed, I put the water. This is just water with like maybe a little bit of conditioner left over in it. And then I use this Luster's Pink Glossier. This is really good for when you get synthetic wigs and they kind of have that dry, because what it's going to do is give it a little bit of shine. It's going to give it nice moisture. It's just going to make it look really, really, really pretty. So I sprayed those two on the unit, and I think that that definitely helped tone it down and to help kind of capture a little bit more of the waves. Now, going into shedding and tangling, there was a lot of shedding and tangling with this unit. I think it's to be expected because the hair is, number one, curly, it's big, and then the third point is it's 613. So you are going to have some shedding. Just know that if you purchase this unit, and especially if you purchase it in this color, there is going to be some shedding and there is going to be some tangling. Now, I do have a 5-star scaling system where I do rate my units and let y'all know what I think. Now, originally, I gave this unit 3 stars. Today, sitting here, I have to give it 4 stars because honestly, I think it's quite saucy. I think it looks good on me. I want to address a comment that I did get on the original video from some glorified a-hole who thought enough to leave me the comment about black girls not wearing blonde hair and that they were only made for Caucasian women. First of all, you can kiss my entire, y'all finish the sentence. And who says that blonde hair is made just for one race and one certain person and one certain type? I know plenty of Caucasian women that wouldn't even go blonde. So that theory is completely flawed, and that theory is completely stupid. Point blank and period. Black girls, brown girls, white girls, y'all can wear exactly whatever the hell you want to wear. I look damn good in 613 hair. I know many other brown girls who look fabulous in this hair color and lighter. So I do want, and I don't want y'all to keep saying that thing of, I'm too dark to wear this, or I'm too black to wear this. No, you're not. Like, find the color that's right for you. I just showed y'all how just simply changing my makeup just made all the world of the difference in how it looks. So sometimes it may be something as simple as that. Sometimes you need to add makeup. Sometimes you need to change your makeup a little bit in order to make the unit look better. I really hope that these tips help. I'm going to go ahead and give y'all a 360. All right, so this is from the side, okay? This is another from the front, your face. Okay, this is the other side, and then this is y'all favorites part right here. Give it to y'all from the back. Okay, and hopefully it's not looking too crazy. I was cutting on it, so hopefully it's not looking too crazy in the back, but y'all basically get the drift and y'all get the vibes of it. I really hope that y'all do enjoy this and y'all do appreciate this re-upload. I'm sorry for people who left comments before. If you could leave a comment down below again, you know, and just be like, all right, girl, you did better. I would really appreciate, I would really appreciate that. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And are you following me on Instagram and Snapchat? If you're not, what are you doing with your life? You know you need my crazy ass in your life daily, not just when I'm posting. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Other than that, stay pretty. I'll see you on the next video.